To change the ringtone in the Z Fold 6 for specific contact, we need to open the Contacts app. We then need to select a contact that we want to change the ringtone for. Then we're going to tap the triple dots here for more, and then we see change ringtone. Now sometimes it's under edit and it will be there. So when we change ringtone here, we need to select the ringtone one more time and then allow the audio permission. So you have the default ringtones here, and you can tap the plus to import your custom ringtones that could be saved to your device. They will automatically show up. So choose the custom ringtone, and that will apply it for a specific contact. Now for all contacts, you go to the settings, and then you're going to look for the sounds and vibration. Then select ringtone. This applies to all contacts which haven't had their ringtone manually set. So you just tap to select and you're good to go.